Hey fellas, what's up? So I just want to show you now another command in this command prompt series where we will check the hard drive. So sometimes you will find the computer a bit sluggish or it just freezes or blue screen of death. So what we want to do next is open command prompt as an admin and we will run the check this command cmd and then run as an admin, click yes. So now we type check this slash f to fix all the system files, and then let's do slash r to repair any corrupted files in the hard drive. If you want to see the full path of the files that are being checked, we just go slash v and then we press enter. The command is gonna run next time the computer restarts. Type Y and press enter, and the volume will be checked next time the system restarts. So now let's restart the computer. Make sure the user has all work in progress saved. You can do it from command prompt as well, right? Shutdown slash R. So guys, the whole process might take a while, sometimes half an hour, sometimes 1 hour, even more. So just be patient, let the command run. So it's gonna go through every file in your disk and make sure everything is in order. Okay guys, so we are back and I just want to show you how to check the logs. You right click in the Windows icon here, right? Event viewer. So we go to Window logs, drop down menu, right? Application, and we will filter the current log. And here, event sources, we need to find check disk and Windows initiation. Then you click OK, and then you refresh, and then you will be able to see the results.